All right, when we last left our heroes, we were on this right here. We just solved it. We had plugged it in. We looked for the easiest thing. Make life as easy as possible. Don't like, oh, this road looks really easy. No, let's go up this hill. No, easy. Okay. So here's the deal. You're going to be given two line segments. You set them equal to each other. You solve, you plug in. That's the big nutshell of the lesson. Okay? Now, in each of those things, you have your little side quest, right? Y'all, you have to do this. Yeah, right. So, all right. What's our first step?
Set them equal to each other.
Yes, so we're going to say 3x plus 3. Now, if y'all happen to hear a student voice that sounds similar to mine, that's truly coincidental. That is not me trying to answer my own questions. Womp womp. All right, so no distribute. Do we need to collect like terms? No, we have different teams. Okay. Variables on the left. So this is understood to be a 1. I had to say that because I've had students that they would do this step, they would subtract x from each side and they would get 3 as the answer instead of 2x.
Well, I subtracted the x. It's just gone. I had it, now I don't.
It's not how it works. Okay? So, we've done this. Constants on the right. Red Rover, send this 3 on over. Have y'all ever played Red Rover? That used to be like one of the, the Darwinism PE recess games that we would have in the 80s and 90s, because you would like hold hands and interlock, and then, somebody would come charging and you pull your hand up and like hit them in the face, and they would like clothesline them, and then, they would be knocked out until it's time to go home. Yeah, and the next day you do dodgeball, and, the PE teacher would have an argument with his wife that morning, and then all of a sudden, next thing, some kid's getting hit in the head and they're twitching over there. Okay.
This actually happens.
Yeah. All right. So we have x equals 1. All right. Use your powers of being a teenager. Find the laziest way possible to do this thing. Which statement are we going to use? Which statement looks the easiest to do? Oh my gosh.
I don't know. You just need to tell me the answers.
Those are our two choices. Hopefully you were saying,
Well, I said x plus 5 in my head.
I can't read minds, and I don't want to read y'all's minds, because some of y'all got weird thoughts. Okay, now. And some of you gross. Now. So we plug in 1. All right, ready. What is 1 plus 5? The whole room went silent. I mean, you thought I just asked them to explain the Laplace transform in French. Okay? 6. Wow. All right. So, because we use CB, okay, if this is 6, that means this is 6. What is 6 plus 6? 12. All right, now, we're gonna try to set up the odds in class because I can't even today, and then y'all are gonna go back and do the other. All right. So, it says find RS. All right, well, from here to here is 17. Remember, these little hash marks mean that these are congruent, that these are the same length. That means this is 17. So you can say 17 plus 17 or 17 times 2. It's the same thing. And what is 17 plus 17 or 17 times 2? 34. All right, if this is 9. See, y'all just think I'm dancing just to be silly. I'm really trying to get like my back to loosen up because it feels like somebody is stabbing me right above my hips with like a dull blade. All right, so 9 and 9. Okay, 9 plus 9 is, oh wait, nope, never mind, I can't even. Moving on. Okay, sorry. We was trying to do it even when I said we weren't going to. All right. Well, just, and I haven't found the Zoom thing on this. Oh my gosh. What? All right. So, we're going to set this up. I didn't say we're going to solve it. I said we're going to set it up. This is the one, actually we're going to do this one because this is one time that you think that we need to have all our variables on the left. Okay, let's try to use some common sense. If we move this 8x to the left, there's nothing else, and we actually just made more work for ourselves. Do y'all want more work? Yes, y'all said yes, so that here, you know.
I didn't say anything.
All right, so x is 5, so you should be able to find JK. JS, just saying. By the way, if you're ever trying to debate me or prove a point to me or something about your point of view, and you end a sentence or your statement with just saying, that's not how you actually justify your answer. Okay, because I can give you other real world well, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, well, some animals eat their young, just saying. You know, I will throw that right back at you. And we'll see how your feelings last. Okay. So how are we going to set this one up? In the good way. Good. So 3x plus 1. All right. So we've set those up. That should actually help you with the odds. Okay? I mean the evens, because, you know, I couldn't even. Y'all can even. I'm just not feeling it today. All right? And then we're going to come back and check these. All right? So as we leave you today, don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Okay? And have the day you'll have. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.